Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Maths class. This is 6th class on sequence and series chapter. We are doing this chapter in JE level. In last class, we learned derivation of sum of n terms of arithmetic progression and 4 note points, and we did some PYQs related to sum of n terms. In this class, we are going to do 6 problems. All are PYQs, and all these problems are based on common terms. They'll give two arithmetic progressions. They'll ask find the number of common terms in both the arithmetic progression, or they'll ask sum of common terms in the arithmetic progression. Like that, they'll ask question. So all the 6 questions, whatever we'll do now, they are all previous year JE questions. For in this video, for every question, I given timestamp. If you tap the screen on YouTube, you can see all the timestamps, right? Whatever the question, suppose this is 30th question. If you want to do 32nd question, directly you can go to 32nd question. Before going to start this video, please drop a like for this video, share this video with your friends. Without much delay, let's begin the class. This is the question given in JEE 2023. What they are asking? Eighth common term of the series. If you observe, they given two series, S1, S2. Eighth common term of the series. You observe this first one. This is in which progression? 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7, 4, 15 minus 11, 4. Clearly we can understand this progression is in arithmetic progression. Okay. And you observe this one. This is in which progression? 6 minus 1, 5, 11 minus 6, 5, 16 minus 11, 5. Common difference is 5. So this is also in arithmetic progression. As they given two sequences which are in arithmetic progression, they are asking us to find the eighth common term. Here you need to know one note point. What is that? A1, A2, A3 and so on. Some terms are there which are in AP. B1, B2, B3 and so on. They are also in arithmetic progression. If we can find the common terms in these two arithmetic progression, whatever the common terms, suppose C1, C2, C3, C4 are the common terms in both the progressions, this also forms a arithmetic progression. This is the property, right? Common terms of two arithmetic progressions obviously forms a arithmetic progression. You can check in this class, you will understand all those things. Okay. So what they are asking? Eighth common term. Okay. To find eighth common term in both the sequence, first you need to identify what is the first common term. You observe first series and second series. First identify what is the first common term. In some problems, they don't give directly what is the first common term. That means you need to calculate what is the first common term, right? In this problem, luckily they given by seeing the question you can understand first common term in both is 11, right? Okay. Afterwards, you just find D1. D1 means a common difference of first sequence. D1 is what? 4. Okay. D2. D2 is what? Common difference of second arithmetic progression. 6 minus 1, 5. Now you just calculate LCM of D1 and D2. LCM of 4 comma 5. What is LCM of 4 comma 5? LCM of 4 comma 5 is 20. Okay. Once you got this and you know first common term, then you can write that common terms arithmetic progression. You can write how? 11 is there, na? You add 20 to each term. 11 is the first common term. For each term, you add 20. 11 plus 20, 31. 31 plus 20, 51. Like that, it continues. And you can check this is in arithmetic progression with common difference 20. 31 minus 11, 20. 51 minus 31, 20. Okay. So this is in which progression? This is in arithmetic progression, right? Obviously, no need to check. This is in arithmetic progression. You want eighth common term. You see, in this, A is 11, first term. D is what? Common difference 20. They are asking eighth common term now. In arithmetic progression, what is the formula for eighth term? Eighth term formula is A plus 7D. Okay. Eighth term formula is a plus 7d. What is a? 11 plus 7 into d. D is what? 20. So 11 plus 140. 140 plus 11 is what? 151. So eighth term in the common terms of the series, in this eighth term is what? 151. I hope you understand. See, these problems are very easy, but bit simplification, and especially this problem is a bit easier. In other problems, you may feel calculation part may take some time, but actual concept is very easy. So here, what I am trying to say in this question, what we learn, there are two arithmetic progressions. They are asking find out the common terms of two arithmetic progressions. Then first point, you need to identify what is the first common term in both. In this problem, luckily, both common terms, by seeing the question only we can identify. Once you identify what is the first common term, then you take a common difference of both the arithmetic progression, take it as d1, d2, find out LCM of those two common differences. Then whatever first common term you will get, for that you add 20 to each term, right? That LCM to each term, right? Right. Now let's move to the next question. See, this is question number 30 given in 2024. What they are asking in this question, number of common terms. In last problem, eighth term of common terms they asked. In this question, total how many common terms are there in both the progressions, in this progression as well as in this progression, how many common terms are there? Let's see the solution of this problem. You observe this first progression, right? This is in arithmetic progression because they're not given in the question they are in arithmetic progression or not. 9 minus 4, 5. 14 minus 9, 5. 19 minus 14, 5. So here its common difference is 5. I'll take it d1 as 5. Okay. Observe this one. Is it is in arithmetic progression? 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 12 minus 9 is 3. Yes, this is also in arithmetic progression with common difference 6. Okay. And you just calculate LCM of these two. Sorry, second D2. D2 is what? Common difference of this arithmetic progression is what? It is 3. Okay. You just calculate LCM of D1 and D2. LCM of 5 comma 3 is what? LCM of 5 comma 3 is 15. Now observe this progression and this progression. By seeing the question, can we identify any common term? Not any common term, first common term in both the arithmetic progressions. You can see here 9 is there. 9 is the first common term in both the arithmetic progressions. Okay. Once you got 9, you add 15 to this 9. Okay. 9 plus 15 is 24. 24 plus 15 is 39. It continues like this. Okay. And you observe the last question. You observe this question. They are saying the last term is 25th term. In this, they are saying last term is 37th term. So here we must know because they are asking number of common terms. That's why we must know what is this 25th term. So what I'll do, I'll calculate a 25th term. 25th term from the first arithmetic progression. 25th term formula is what? A plus 24d. Okay. What is a? 4 plus 24 into first common difference. First common difference is what? 5. So 24 5s are 100. 100 plus 4 is 104. Okay. Next, I need 37th term of second arithmetic progression. 32nd term is what? A plus 36d. This is second arithmetic progression, 37th term. A is 3. 36 into d. Common difference is 3. 36 3s are 108. 108 plus 3 is 111. Okay. Now, you please observe here, this 25th term is 104 and 37th term is 111. Here, why we written this? When we write the common terms, here we are writing the common terms. Common term cannot be more than 104. Common term cannot be more than 104 because in this last term is 104. So, this is the smallest one. In these two numbers, which one is smallest? The common term will be less than that smallest number. So what I'll write here, that nth term is less than or equal to 104. In this common term series is there, in that whatever nth term you will get, that is less than 104. Okay. Nth term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. is less than or equal to 104. In this question, what they are asking, number of common terms. That means how many terms are there in this arithmetic progression you need to find. That means we need to find n value, right? You observe in this first term is 9. So in place of a, you write 9. D is 15. Okay. Further, if we simplify this, 9 plus 15n minus 15 less than or equal to 104. Okay. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. So what you will get, 15n minus 6 less than or equal to 104. Take minus 6 to the right hand side part. 15n is less than or equal to 110. Okay. So n is less than or equal to 110 divided by 15. 15 sevens are 105. So if I simplify this, what I'll get, 7 point something you will get. Here, what is n actually? N is a number of terms. So n cannot be a fraction here. So what is n? N equal to 7. So how many common terms are there? What is the question? Number of common terms of these two arithmetic progression. How many common terms are there in these two arithmetic progression? Is total 7 common terms are there in given two arithmetic progressions. I hope you understand this solution, right? You see this question. This question is similar to last question, like for example, 78th term, 59th term, like that. In last question also they given. This is given in JEE 2022. From this you can understand, frequently every year one question we can find this type of in any one of the session, right? What they are asking, find the sum of common terms. They are asking sum of common terms. Last problem is a number of common terms. In this problem they are asking sum of common terms. Okay, no problem. So here what I'll do first, you see, is it is in arithmetic progression? Is it is in arithmetic progression? Yes, arithmetic progression with common difference is 3. Okay. What is D2? That means second one. What about this one? Is it is in arithmetic progression? Yes, it is in arithmetic progression with common difference 4. Okay. Here they are asking 70, last term is 78th term, this term is 59th term, like that they given. Na? So what I'll do, I'll calculate that term. 78th term is what? A plus 77D. What is A? 3 plus 77. D means first 1 year. 77 threes. If you simplify this, you will get 234. Now I'll calculate this 59th term. Okay, 59th term. This is from second arithmetic progression. The formula is A plus 58D. In second arithmetic progression, first term is 5. 58 into D2 is 4. Okay. If you simplify this, you will get 237. Okay. Right. You observe both the arithmetic progression. By seeing, can you identify what is the first common term? Luckily, in this problem also, we can easily identify what is the first common term. 9 is the first common term. Okay. Calculate LCM of D1 and D2. LCM of D1 and D2. LCM of 3, 4 is 12. First common term is 9. Okay. 12 plus 9 plus 12. Add 12 to each term. Okay. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 plus 12, 33. It continues like this. Okay. Here, what you want to find? Sum of common terms. You know that this is in arithmetic progression. Clearly, we know that this is in arithmetic progression with the common difference 12. Okay. So, if you want to find sum of these common terms, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? N is what? Number of common terms. So, if you want to find sum of common terms, you must find how many common terms are there, right? So, you observe here, in this 78th term is 234, in this 59th term is 237, and in these two numbers, least number is 234. So, common term must be less than or equal to 234, right? Nth term, I'll write here, nth term must be less than or equal to 234 because common term, right? I hope you understand what is this, right? Next, nth term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is what? 9 plus n minus 1 into d. D, common difference of this arithmetic progression, that is 12, is less than or equal to 234. Okay. 12n, 9 minus 12 minus 3 is less than or equal to 234. 12n is less than or equal to 234 plus 3, 237. N is less than or equal to 237 divided by 12. If you simplify this, you will get 19 point something. This tells you that number of common terms 19, right? Number of common terms are 19. Okay. What we want to find here? We want to find sum of n terms of this arithmetic progression. What is the formula? Sum of n terms formula. N by 2. Total 19 terms are there. 19 by 2. 2a. 2 into 9. 18 plus n minus 1. Here total 19 terms are there. S19 we are calculating. 2a is 19. N minus 1, that is 18. D is 12. I hope you are understanding, right? 19 divided by 2 into, if you simplify these things, you will get 234. Okay. 2 in this 117 times. Okay. 117 into 19. Multiply, you will get 2223. In this question, what they are asking? Sum of common terms of given two arithmetic progression. So that answer is 2223. Believe me, these problems are easy. Only thing is you need to practice. You need to practice this type of problem, right? These 6 problems are sufficient enough, and take some other problems from your material and solve those problems. Okay. See, this is the next question given in 2024. Sum of common terms, same like last problem. In this problem, last term also given. Simplification, no need to find the last term also, right? JEE 2024. I want you to pause this video, right? Now you can do it easily. Take your time as you are doing these problems first time. Pause this, try your own, later check the answer. Okay, right. Let's start the solution. First point, sum of common terms of two progressions given here. You see this one, 7 minus 3 4, 11 minus 7 4, 15 minus 11 4. This is an arithmetic progression. 2 minus 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 5 3, 11 minus 8 3. This is also an arithmetic progression. What I'll write D1. What is D1? 7 minus 3 4. Okay. What is D2? 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Observe the both the progressions. Can you identify the common term? Can you identify the common term? Yes. 11 is the first common term. Feel happy for that. You identified first common term. You calculate LCM of D1 and D2. LCM of 4 comma 3 is what? 12. Very good. First common term is 11. 11 plus 12, 23. 23 plus 12, 35. This continues like this. Okay. What they are asking? The sum of common terms. This 100%, this is an arithmetic progression. With common difference is what? With common difference 12. What is the formula to find sum of n terms? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this, we already know a value, we already know d value. Only thing is we need to find n value. So you need to know how many common terms are there when they ask sum of common terms. Okay, and you observe here, these last two terms are given. In these two, least number is what? 403. So in this nth term, that means in the common terms, nth term is always less than or equal to 403. Okay, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 11. 11 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 12, is less than or equal to 403. Okay. 12n, 11 minus 12 is minus 1, less than or equal to 403. Okay, 12n is less than or equal to 404. N is less than or equal to 404 divided by 12. This is 33 point something you will get. Okay, that means number of common terms are 33. You identified number of common terms are 33. Now, what you need to find? Sum of common terms. Total, how many common terms are there? 33 common terms are there. 33 divided by 2 into 2a, 22 plus n minus 1, 33 minus 1, 32 into d. D is what? 12. 33 divided by 2 into, if you simplify what is there in brackets, you will get 406. 2 table in this 203 times. Multiply 203 into 33. you will get 6699, right? So sum of common terms of given two arithmetic progression is 6699, right? You see this question given in JE 2020, that means from so long they are preferring these questions, right? Common terms problems. Number of common terms of two arithmetic progressions. Okay, first point, are they in arithmetic progression? They only given these two are in arithmetic progression. Okay, you see I'll write here 3, 7, 11. You observe each term is increased by 4. 3, 7, 11. What is the common difference? Common difference is 4. You add 4 to each term. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. It continues like this. Now, second arithmetic progression also I'll write, because by seeing these two arithmetic progression, you cannot find the common term, right? That's why I'm trying to identify what is the first common term, right? 2, 9, 16. You observe 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 is what? 16 plus 7 is 23. You observe here, I got the first common term. What is the first common term? 23, right? Okay. What is D1? 7 minus 3, 4. What is D2? 9 minus 2, 7. You calculate LCM of 4 comma 7. LCM of 4 comma 7 is 28. Okay. What is the first common term? First common term is 23. 23 plus 28, 51. Okay. And so on, it continues. What they are asking in the question, number of common terms. They are not asking sum of common terms, number of common terms. You just need to find n value, that's it. Okay. And as they given these two numbers, in these two, which number is smaller? 4, not 7. So common term is always less than or equal to 4, not 7. Okay. Nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? 28, less than or equal to 407. If you simplify this, 28n plus 23 minus 28, 5, less than or equal to 407. 28n is less than or equal to 412. Okay. N is less than or equal to 412 divided by 28. If you simplify this, you will get 14 point something. This tells you that number of common terms are 14. So in this question, what they are asking? Number of common terms. So how many common terms are there? Total 14 common terms are there in these two given arithmetic progressions, right? So this is interesting question given in 2023. In this question, what they are asking? Sum of common terms. Sum of common terms. Three progressions are given. Three progressions are given. You can see here 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7, 4. This is in arithmetic progression. 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, 3, 11 minus 8, 3. This is also in arithmetic progression. 7 minus 2, 4, 12 minus, 7 minus 2, 5, 12 minus 7, 5, 17 minus 12, 5. This is also in arithmetic progression. What I'll do here, I'll take first one as A, second one as B, third one as C. I need to find common terms. Now for this, I'll follow this method so that you can do it easily. What I'll do first, I'll do common terms of these two arithmetic progression. I'll find actually what I want common terms means A intersection B intersection C, the terms which are common in all three. First I'll calculate A intersection B. A intersection B is nothing but common terms in first two. Okay. You see in this they given 399, here also last term is there. Okay. So you observe these first two. Can you identify the common term by seeing two arithmetic progression? Yes. 11. Yes, very good. 11 is the first common term. Okay. D1 is what? D1 is 4. D2 is what? D2 is 3. LCM of these two, 4 comma 3 is 12. Okay. And then what you will get? First term is 11. 11 plus 12 is 23. 23 plus 12 is 35. Right? 35. 35 plus 12, 47. 47 plus 12, 59. It proceed like this. What is this? This is A intersection B, right? That means common terms in both A and B. Okay. Now what I'll do here, this one is there na, in this is in arithmetic progression na. To find the first common term in all three, I'll write nth term of this. Find the nth term of this, a plus n minus 1 into d. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. 5n, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So nth term of this arithmetic progression is 5n minus 3. Now what you will check, these are the common terms in both a and b na. You find which term is matches with this, right? See here, no, this is not the common term in the third one, right? Because 11 is not a multiple of 5n minus 3. Okay. 23, no. 35, 35, 7 5s are 35. This is directly multiple of 5. No, this not matches. You observe this one. 5 tens are 50. 50 minus 3, 47. Yes. So 47 term is there in this C. 47 term is there A intersection B also. So we identified here, when we write A intersection B intersection C, first common term is 47. I hope you are understanding. And you just calculate LCM of D1, D2, D3. D1 is what? 4. D2 is also there. D3 is what? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. That means LCM of 4, 3, 5. What you will get? 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So here you got a first common term, and you add 60 to this. 47 plus 60. 107. 107 plus 60. 167. Right? 167. If you observe here, last term is 197. That means whatever the common term you will get, that is always less than or equal to 197. That means total 3 common terms only you got, right? So here sum of common terms, sum is what? For 47 plus 107 plus 167. If you add all these, you will get 321, right? So sum of common terms of given 3 arithmetic progressions is 321. I hope you understand today's class. If you like this video, please drop a like, share this video with your friends. And how you felt this class? You felt it easy, difficult, moderate? If you want any pattern change, what you want, please comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.